My perspective on decluttering is that it's like an onion. I will go through an area and then 6 months later I'll go through that same area again, and it's like I'm peeling off layer after layer, trying to get it down to something more simple and easy to take care of. And the kitchen is a really good place to start. With a big family, we tend to have excess in this area. My goal is just to keep our home really simple. So I'm gonna start here. This is our pantry. There are other things in there that are not food related. I'm gonna try to get rid of some of those, just straighten up what we have. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail with special organizing methods. The kids go through things so quickly that we just find places for things. Before you know it, that item is used up. Having like a general section for things makes sense to me, but a really detailed system just wouldn't work for us.
I'm not too detailed when I organize, but I like visual simplicity.
So first I'm going to rehome anything that doesn't belong in here. And then secondly, I will just throw out anything that is expired or we're not using. All of this can go back in the cupboard because it's all things that we use.
This is stage 1 of my process. In a few days, I will put things in broad categories in containers so that they're easy to grab and put away. Hidden storage is very important to me, but I will also try to make everyday items look nice.
I just keep a little bowl of clips and try to remind the kids to close things up. These really help because they're easy to use. Although this is meant for food, I'm going to keep the towels. I might declutter them a bit. I find this works really well rather than trying to shove towels into a drawer. Tidy that up a bit, and this side of the pantry will be done. So all I got rid of is just these, and then I'm keeping these and they fit a lot better. So this side is done. Kind of like things are together, baking stuff, cereals and crackers, and not worry too much about things being put back exactly the right way every time. That's just not how our brains work. Having labels on everything would probably just be too much thinking. We have a lot of vases and jars, and we don't use all of these. So for the jars, I do use that for flowers, and I use this. This was my mom's, so they're kind of special. I do use this one, but I think I'm gonna let these ones go. Now this is a cake decorating kit. If we don't use it in the next year, we'll probably get rid of it on the next round of decluttering. What I like about this kind of work as you go is when I have to run out the door for some reason or there's an interruption, I've still finished certain areas. Because if I had brought everything out of the pantry, it would have been overwhelming. Another little touch of organization. I think I'm gonna toss because all it has is a couple of seasonings, and these breadcrumbs are kind of old, and these straws we just don't use, and a half-eaten Cliff Bar. Chickpeas. I should make some hummus. Okay, so here's what we're left with. I'll just get this out of the house.
In my next video, I'll take it a step further by adding decorative organization for visual simplicity.
I find that clutter can really affect motivation. Because I'm like a visual person, these things kind of just weigh on me. Now that it's done, I can think about decorating and all of those hobbies that I enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was motivating for you to do some decluttering in your home.